Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to fix not getting notifications on Snapchat. So guys, this is very simple process. Everyone can do it very easily. So don't waste the time and let's get start the video. First we tap on Snapchat and tap on settings and little bit scroll down and tap on notifications and turn on all notifications like this. You can see I am turned on all notifications, and I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So please subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment in below and tap on bell icon for my new videos updates. So thank you so much for watching and take care. Bye bye.